Hey guys, and welcome back to Mr.ChoKolate Car Audio YouTube channel. In today's episode, I'm recording the world's loudest 6.5-inch subwoofer, hitting a mind-blowing 173.72 decibels at a Bass Wars car show. You do not want to miss this. Make sure you like, share, and hit the notification bell. Let's go!
You gotta feel that heat.
What's up, buddy? Oh, okay. So we're gonna do some signs here. We'll talk about it. I want to mic you up later on and we'll go more into it.
Okay.
'Cause I want to see this thing in here. I love it. I love it. It's fun. You got to have something new, right?
Be creative.
Something exciting. I love it. And you got the speakers in your radio control.
Oh yeah. That's for if I ever did parking pound. And you've never seen this, have you? My bass knob. Yeah. Oh, it ain't working. It's electric though. It will turn. It's not working right now.
Oh, too much pressure. Too much pressure.
It's
Too
not
much
on.
pressure.
No, it's yeah. I got it right here. Hang on. It's 48's the last two. Yep. So here we go. Now it'll work. See how it moves?
Yeah.
So when you're running a low power class,
Yeah.
I can slow it way down. I don't know if you can see how slow it moves, but I can just tap it and get like 1 watt at a time.
Yeah. We got to talk. We'll talk.
So.
I know. I know.
But I use
why
this
you
one
did
for this class because it's
Yeah. And that's for that DB Dragon for that perfect.
70. We better blow way past the 70.
Oh gosh. We'll talk, y'all.
And I probably will launch the stuff today.
So real quick, where's the microphone at?
Follow the cord.
Oh, so you put it in the
And then put
tube
the cap on it.
and it sealed it. I'm gonna watch you take it off.
Okay.
This is cool. This is so cool.
Alright, let me know when you're ready there. Food should be ready in about another 30 minutes. He's got water, Cokes, and his fruit tea to drink. Go see Mr.
Those fruit
KP
teas are
Smokehouse.
so good.
He's got beef brisket, wings, smoked hamburgers, french fries, beans. Y'all get hungry today, go visit him. Promise you, food is good. I don't knock any food. We got bullseye today. If anybody want to run, interested in running? We got 173.27 so far in port. Oh, time. Hey, you want to run it? Yeah. You gonna blow it up? I thought you said. Let me know when you're ready, Larry. Hold on. I jumped the gun. All right, here we go. You're good. Oh man. 173.72.
Close that door, baby. You can squeeze around the base.
Try again. Squeeze that tape. Now, 173.72. Start the day off with a 70. Nice score. All right.
$57 sub.
I would think.
Yeah, a little VFL 6.5. All right, we'll tear this down real quick.
Hey, when I was running those, when I was running 8 of them, 8 6.5.
Yeah.
Those little things. got
Yeah,
down.
I really, a lot of people like them, actually. They're very good little cheap subs. Take the cap off. There's the mic.
That is crazy.
There's something loose in there.
Uh-oh. There's a
broke it.
DB.
Now I just break it down.
If you're going to sign up for demo wars, you come on up here. Whirlwind class, that's for your demo.
I'm sure the old school Port Wars guys are gonna kill me for the way I put it together, but we're experimenting right now. So I really don't know what I'm doing.
Real quick before we get out here, what the heck is this? What is going on?
Well, this is a Port Wars box. It's all PVC. I'll slide it out here so you can see
Okay.
what it is. It's a single VFL. Just fits. Now it's done this way because it's got to be in the cab.
Okay.
I wanted to build it in the bed and then I could just drive here and play it, but that won't work.
What?
So it just barely fits. So that just did the 173.72.
Okay, now, so we gonna have what, a box is in here, I'm assuming.
This is just a piece of PVC that's 8-inch down to 4-inch.
Okay.
And then, you know, you extend it on, and
Okay.
what we're finding and testing is the longer the pipe, the score goes up.
Okay.
So you can smell it a little bit.
You smell it stinky.
It's a 300 watt RMS sub, and of course I just put probably, I don't know, 2K through it. You put it 78 hertz
Yeah.
with a sealed pipe in front of it, you know.
So it's not as damaging or testing.
Yeah, if it was 20 hertz in a ported box,
yeah,
she'd be gone.
Zonk. That is absolutely
So then I hook the subs back up and I can play it normal. Next test will be a decent 8. You know, go up a step, something that'll hold a little more power.
How big is this right here, the outside of the box? That is how big is
The diameter,
Yes.
right at 10 and a half.
So an 8 would fit in there if you.
Yeah, it
shot
should barely fit. But
How
you know,
much bigger would you have to make it to accommodate for the 8-inch airspace versus 6.5?
None. because what we're finding is, you know, in a Port Wars box, your sealed chamber needs to be really small. You're trying to build air pressure.
Yeah.
So you don't want a 3 cubic foot box, you want tiny. You know, some of the better Port Wars scores are literally 3 stacks of wood, and that's the whole box with a tube coming out the side. So you're just trying to build pressure. It's got nothing to do with how it sounds or anything. It's all air pressure.
See, I thought you was Port Warren your actual subs back here.
I used to.
Like, those aren't $300 $50 speakers.
Yeah, it's hidden in there.
Now I see what you're saying, and that's where he did all the testing within the door.
Yeah, I've tried all kinds of stuff, but we're just getting started. Boxes like that, it should easily do over a 180.
So driver side port is definitely the correct way, correct formula.
No, not for that.
Not for that, it doesn't matter.
Because, you know, all the pressure's in the tube, so bracing doesn't help. I don't think temperature really affects it, anything like that. It's all internal, so.
Well, I guess should I go get a bigger sundown?
Yeah, something that's a little more beefy that I can
Really
drop down to
hammer.
1 ohm and give it 3 or 4K instead of.
Where do you at right now, wired up?
Well, that is a dual 4, so that was 2 ohms on a 5K amp. So it might have been 2K's probably stretching it. It might have been 1900
At the most.
and clipping. So Cleaner power with this same setup, it might do even more than that. I don't know.
Yeah, I can't wait. This is gonna be interesting. What was the world record right now?
Well, right now it's 176, but there's people that do 180s easily.
Okay.
That know this type of box well. You could probably do it on 500 watts. So that's what I'm trying to get to.
Okay. This is the first time testing at a competition so far?
Yeah, I just put it together last weekend.
Okay.
And
oh man, I'm stoked. I'm intrigued now.
Yeah.
I'm locked in. Now I want to see how we really can get this score.
And this is easy to play with. You're not building a whole new box, ripping it out. Weighs 300 pounds. I'm just
hugging around beefy subs.
I can test this on my bench at home and not have to even get in the truck. And then once I like it, I put it in the truck and go from there.
Have you noticed the size of the box of the trunk being able to play a part?
No, not at all.
Doesn't matter?
No.
I was like, maybe if you had it smaller.
Yeah, eventually if I get this dialed in and want to run at finals, the big box will come out.
Okay.
And there'll be a bigger version of this with maybe a 12 or 15 or something.
More
and more runs of pipe going back and forth.
More cone area,
Don't
more
know
pressure.
yet.
Understood. Yep. Well, I love it, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm excited. Real quick, where can we find you on social media?
Gosh, Facebook, just Larry Jackson. That's it. I got nothing else.
All right, guys, let's get to it.
You gotta feel